So, hello my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video, how to iPhone enable touch screen home button, so assistive touch. Okay, this is one of the simplest and most effective methods to date. Yeah, let's get started and do everything step by step. Guys, click like when I will get heart, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you. So, one step. I showed you one step. We press settings and press click search and press and tapping the text assistive touch. Assistive touch. Okay. Alternative way, cancel and accessibility and touch and assistive touch. Okay, assistive touch off. Okay, turn on. Okay, assistive touch function on. Okay, so customize top level menu. Okay, so press and press, so home, done, home, so settings, home, button, home. Guys, it's very easy. Way back, touch and home. Good working. So yeah, guys, I showed you the first method. It is very effective. Check if this method works for you. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. So click like when I will get heart, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you. Leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.